What's up? This is Professor Wergeles recording a video for Windows users in my EC2 video series. This video is to replace the second video, which is connecting to your instance via SSH. Make sure you watch your prerequisite video. You'll want to create your instance first. Before you watch this video, make sure you open up your security groups, create the right instance, have it set up ready to go, download your PEM file, your private key, then you'll be able to watch this video. So in my last video we created your instance. In this video we're going to connect to our instance via GitBash, and after you watch this video you can go ahead and go back to the original video series. Video number 2 is the only video that's different for Windows. After you get connected to your server you can run all the same commands as I'm doing on my Mac machine. Okay, so in this video we're going to be using GitBash. So you want to make sure you have that installed. You can just type GitBash in Google Chrome, and here it says Git downloads. It's git-scm.com, and here you'll see downloads. So you'll go ahead and download Git for Windows. Once you have it downloaded, you should be able to click your Start button, and here you'll see Git in your applications, and here is our GitBash. What I like about GitBash is it allows Windows users to type Linux commands. So on Windows you cannot normally do a ls, so here I can do an ls and I can see all the files in my current directory. I can do a pwd, it shows you the current path, and it's Linux directory paths because usually it looks something funny like this. It shows you the Linux conversion of your path, and it's just really nice to have. So if I could recommend what to use on Windows, it would definitely be GitBash, because if you have GitBash then you can run the same commands as I'm running on Mac, which are Linux based commands. Okay, so GitBash is the way to go. Here in my last video we had to convert that PEM file. If you use GitBash you do not. Okay, I can do an ls and see which directory I am. Here's my desktop, documents. You're going to want a CD to where your key pair file is. Now if you don't know where it is via the terminal, via GitBash, you can always click here, find where your key pair file is in your file explorer. I can do CD space and then drag this over to GitBash and change directory to where it's located. Now if I do an ls, here's my key pair file, and you will want to have your EC2 management console open. This has some valuable information on what we need to do. Here's your public DNS, and here's an example SSH command that we're going to need to type. So when I'm in my key pair, when I'm in the directory where my key pair is, I can go ahead and copy this SSH command, paste it. And pasting in GitBash is a little funny. Okay, so I did a Control-C, Control-V. It doesn't paste. What you need to do is right-click. Okay, if you do a right-click and paste, then you can get in. Okay, and here you will see your EC2 logo. Once you see this EC2 logo, you know that you're on your instance. So here I can say EC2-user at IP blah blah blah. So that's on my instance. If I hit exit, you can see this is green and it says Wergeles N. So that's on my local machine. If I SSH back, so I'm clicking the up key. If I do a clear, I click the up key. Not sure why that comes in all funny. Let me try to paste it again. Okay, for some reason that comes in all funny. I'm trying to make this bigger. Okay, there it is. If I SSH into my instance, you're going to see EC2 user. If I come back to my local machine, it's Wergeles N. If I click the up arrow, okay, it's going to go back through my commands. So I can come back to my last command, come back into my instance, and here I'm back on my EC2 user. So I'm back on my Amazon Linux AMI. Okay, so if you download GitBash, you can run the same commands as you do in Linux, which is what I'm doing on my Mac. Here you see your EC2 logo, so you're logged in. Now what you can do, like I said before, is follow my regular video series. Go to number 3. Go ahead and configure your instance, install a LAMP stack, and then continue through the video series. Once you're on your server, so once it says EC2-user, everybody in the class can run the same commands as long as they have the same instance type, which is Amazon Linux AMI. Okay, congratulations for connecting to your instance. If you have any questions, then let me or the TAs know, or you can post a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.